guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm coming to you guys with a nail review. Shout out to Claws by Denise for sponsoring this video. So I want to jump right into it. I did receive these nails for review by Claws by Denise, and I'm showing you guys her prep kit. So I just want to start off with this, showing you all that this is available for purchase from Claws by Denise if you are interested in not just the press-on nails, but the nail prep kit. Now, with any nails, you will receive this instructional card as well as your full set of nails. But as I said, all products behind this information is available for purchase as the nail prep kit. So as you guys can see, there is a 15% off coupon for followers until September 30th, and the code is Sarita15. Make sure you use that at checkout. So that is the nail prep kit. We are going to push that to the side. As I said, that is available for purchase. So we're going to push that aside and we are going to get into these nails. So here is the packaging. She did send me 2 types of nails to review. The packaging is so sleek and nice and simple, but very protective of the nails. So this first marble emerald green set is so beautiful. I'm loving the gold detail, and the gel is so extremely smooth on these nails. Now we're going to get into the more summery color. It's like a neon orange coral. It is coming off more orange here, but it's a more coral pink in person, and these are some very high quality press-on nails. Now, she will send you a sizing kit before you receive your nails. So once you inquire about nails, you guys will have a conversation, and definitely she'll get you out one of her size kits to make sure that the nails are your perfect fit, but that is optional. It is not necessary to receive a sizing kit, but if you just want the best quality fit, you definitely, I definitely recommend getting a sizing kit. So I'm just trying on the nails, and she did send me a sizing kit, and they are perfect. And I'm going to select to review these neon nails first, just for the summertime. So I'm looking at my nail application instructions, and I'm going to start opening my nail prep kit. So the prep kit includes everything you need. They have the adhesive tabs if you want to use that instead of glue. They have the buffer, they have the glue, and they have the alcohol wipe, and as well as a nail file. So I definitely suggest you getting one of these prep kits. And if a prep kit is not purchased, you will receive your instructional booklet and the 10 nails. So I'm just looking at my instructional booklet, and it does tell me to use the stick to push back the cuticles as step 1. So after pushing back your cuticles, you definitely want to use the buffer block, and you want to wash your hands. So I am going to show you guys how to apply with using the adhesive tabs, but before then, after the buffing block, you want to use the alcohol wipe on all 10 fingers. On clean, dry hands, use the alcohol wipe. So buffer block, nail file, alcohol wipe. So I am going to use the nail tab for just one of my fingers, just to show you guys how to apply it. So you want to take the tab off of the thin piece of plastic there, and you want to put the tab directly on your thumb with that extra piece of plastic facing down. So you want to push that on there for a few seconds. And remove the plastic backing. So that's on there perfectly. You do want to leave a little gap to make sure that you can push the nail into your cuticle bed to make it as seamless as possible. And you want to apply it at a 45-degree angle pushing down right into your cuticle bed. And you want to push down for at least 30 to 35 seconds when using the adhesive tabs. So it feels good. It doesn't feel wobbly. It doesn't feel like it's going to come off. I'm tapping my finger. I can't feel any type of wobbliness or anything, and it looks and fits great. So when applying glue, you want to do the first 4 steps as normal, which is pushing back the cuticle, buffing, nail file, and alcohol wipe. And the instructions when using the adhesive tab, it doesn't say that the nail file is necessary, but I went ahead and used the nail file even with the adhesive tabs. So push back cuticles, buffer, file, then alcohol. Then you want to size the nail, so make sure you have the right size before you put the glue. You want to add a drop of glue on your natural nail. Drop of glue on the natural nail, not the artificial nail, not the press-on. So you want to add a dab of glue, and you want to, same thing, apply at a 45-degree angle, pushing into the nail bed so it will be as seamless as possible. And you want to push down for at least 15 to 20 seconds with glue. And I just wanted to mention the adhesive tabs last about a week, and using glue lasts 2 to 3 weeks. Glue, you would have to buff off the excessive glue that's underneath the press-on nail. So this nail oil is optional, but it is available for purchase, and it is just the beautiful finishing touch to your press-on nails. I feel like I just went to the salon and got a full set. These are some great reusable, beautiful nails. I love the fact that they're reusable. Why go to the salon, you guys, and spend hours in the chair just to have to come in for a fill-in? You guys, you can reuse these nails. Rub in that oil. It looks just like you left the salon. And why pay for one full set when you can have reusable, beautiful nails? I'm loving it. It's so smooth, so pretty. The color is vibrant. I definitely suggest her. And guys, it's at half the price as some of these other press-on nail companies. So definitely check her out. I am going to enjoy these nails very, very much. They are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Claws by Denise, for reaching out to me. I will leave all of her social media information and links below. Thanks you guys for watching. Catch you guys later. Bye.